Hiya! Today I'm going to be making another pouch using a ginormous cookie cutter as a template. With the help of my daughter, we've gone through all my red scraps. I'll show them to you in a second. But who'd have thought that there'd be such a great big difference in reds? Because this here is my discard red scrap pile. They didn't work the quite tones, had too much white, had too much black. So this is my scrap pile. Wait till you see my colour palette that I've got. My daughter has helped me put them together. But also, have a look at this. Nothing to do with red. But my gladiola is in bloom. And it's facing the wrong way, as they always are. How cool is my gladdy? So I had to bring it inside because it was so pretty. But let's get to this. I'll show you my scrap fabrics and then we can work on the pouch. This is the colour palette we've put together, from light all the way through to dark. I don't know how many I'm going to be using, but I was thinking like an ombre. And then I was trying to think, how am I going to put them in here, like light to dark, dark to light. But then I'm thinking I might go from left to right or right to left. And then the zip will go across all the different colours. That's my plan. So I'm actually going to be piecing the pieces first, and then so I thought I'd make like two squares. It must be a square shape. Yeah, two squares or rectangles of the fabric. I'm thinking I'll cut them into strips and sew them across, and then for the front and the back, and then I will attach them to the piece of scrap interfacing or whatever this is. This was another scrap that I found. It's got curved edges. I don't know what I was using it for, but I will be using this. I think I'll make one big quilt sheet, I think maybe, and I don't know. Anyway, we're going to go with the flow and see where it takes me. But this is the colours, the scraps that I'm working from tiny little ones to bigger ones. So we'll see how it goes. Like this one probably going to be too small, but we'll figure it out. No rules means we can do whatever we want. I'm going to do things a little bit differently with these ones than I did with the other ones. The other ones I had hidden the zip in the seam when I was cutting it. This time I'm going to actually sew it so you can see the zip on the inside. I just want to see how much of an impact that makes. I don't think it's going to make that much of an impact, to be honest, but I'm just curious. So I found some scrappy stuff. I got this from the op shop as well. I love op shops. And so I'm going to sew these on. I think, gosh, do you know what I mean? Like, I say these things, but when I go to do them, I might do something else. So let's see how I go with this.